Inshallah, in this class, we are going to discuss about the MSET limits questions. In the previous class, I have explained the formulas of limits. So if anyone doesn't know the formulas of limits, first you watch the first part, okay? So let me continue here. See here the first question on the board. If you substitute 0, e power 0 is 1 minus e power sine 0 is 0 is 1 by 0. This will be 0 by 0 in that form. So how to change? Let me see here. Let me watch this question. Limit x tends to 0. Let me take common here e power sine x. This is the method. If you take e power sine x here, it will be like this: e power x. We have taken common sine x by sine x. So this will be e by e power sine x minus 1 divided by 2 into x minus sine x. So this is the first step here. What we have done, we have taken e power x sine x, e power sine x common. Now you see, we know this formula a power m by a power n is a power m minus n. So this sin x will come here a power m by a power n. Let me do thing. Watch here. I am separating this one. Limit x tends to 0 e power sin x by I am separating 2 here. Okay. Into again you apply limit x tends to 0. You bring this a power m by a power n is a power m minus n minus 1 divided by what is left here x minus sin x. Now see here, this is of the type formula limit x tends to 0 e power x minus 1 by x. Watch carefully. This is of this formula limit x tends to 0 e power x minus 1 by x. In place of x we are having x minus sin x. This is of the formula e power x minus 1 by x. So this is a 1. Now let me substitute here e power sin 0 is 0. So this will be e power 0 by 2 and this formula is 1. So e power 0 is 1. This will be 1 by 2. Now you see the next question here. Watch carefully how to solve the next question. See here, before going to the question, let me watch one thing. Suppose you see here a by b is less than 0, less than 1, sorry, positive less than 1. Then a by b power infinity will be 0. Watch carefully. If a by b is less than 1, means in fractions, not negative, between 0 to 1, then a by b whole power infinity will be 0. Suppose a by b is greater than 1, then a by b power infinity will be infinity. This concept we have to apply here. So what is given? 0 less than p less than q. That means we can say that p is less than q, therefore p by q will be less than 1. P by q will be less than 1. So we have to start this question. Q power n plus p power n by 1 by. So let me make this 0. For that we have to be p in the numerator and q in the denominator. So p by q whole power infinity will be 0. P by q whole power infinity will be 0. For that reason, let me take common q power n. See here, limit x tends to 0. If you take q power n common, what is left here? 1 plus p power n by q power n. This whole power 1 by n here also you must apply 1 by n because power is for both. So what is left here? Q, take out the q outside. So limit x tends, sorry, limit, yeah, n tends to 0, sorry, limit n tends to 0. Take out this constant q here. So what is left? 1 plus p by q whole power n whole power 1 by n. Now let me substitute the value in here. This is infinity. Let me substitute the infinity here. If you substitute the infinity here, what will happen? You see here, q into 1 plus p by q whole power infinity whole power 1 by infinity. Just now we have seen because this p by q is less than 1, so this power infinity will be 0. What is left here? 1. So q into 1 power 1 by infinity is 0. Any number is to 0 is 1. 1 into q is q. See the next question. Limit x tends to infinity under root of x square plus 2x plus 1 minus x. If you add substitute infinity, infinity square in plus infinity plus 1 root, that is nothing but infinity minus infinity. We know minus infinity minus infinity is indeterminate form. So let me change the method. For root type of questions, first we have to rationalize this one. Watch carefully. Limit x tends to infinity. What we are having? Under root of x square plus 2x plus 1 minus x. How to rationalize this? A minus b. The rationalizing factor will be a plus b. X square plus 2x plus 1 plus x. In the same way, we have to divide the denominator also. Under root of x square plus 2x plus 1 plus x. So for rationalization, we have multiplied a minus b by a plus b in the numerator and denominator. In the numerator, it will be the formula limit x tends to infinity. A plus b into a minus b is a square. This is a square minus b square. Let you do one thing. If you take x square common here, this will become 1. This will become 2 by x. This will become 1 by x square bracket. Again plus x. Now here root square will get cancelled. Plus x square minus x square cancel. Okay. This root square will get cancelled. You will left with only x here. So again let me take x from this 2 common and x from here common. Watch carefully. Limit x tends to infinity. If you take x common here, what is left here? 2 plus 1 by x. In the same way, we have to take x common from this 2. If you take x common from this 2, what is left here? 1 plus 2 by x plus 1 by x square plus 1. So you cancel this one. So let me substitute infinity. We know any number by infinity is 0. So this will become 0, this will become 0, this will become 0. Any number by infinity is 0. So 1 by infinity is 0, 2 by infinity, 1 by infinity square is 0. So what is left here in the numerator? 2 is left. Root, this is 0, this is 0. Root 1 is 1, 1 plus 1, 2. So 2 by 2 will be 1. Now let me do the next question. See here. What is the next question? Watch carefully. Here there is a concept. Watch carefully. What is given here? This limit is given as finite. That means it is not infinity. Now if you direct substitute 0, cos 0 is 1, cos 0 is 1 plus b. So this will be 2 plus b by 0. So any number by 0 is infinity. So by direct substitution you are getting answer infinity. Infinity is one of the answer, but it is given it is not infinity, it is finite. That means this should be 0. That means 0 by 0. It should be of the form 0 by 0. Not to get infinity, we have to suppose that this is 0. Because if it is not 0, this will be infinity. And infinity is not the answer. So consider for that we have to consider this as 0. So this as 0, that is cos 0, 4 into 0 is 0, plus a into cos 2 into 0 is 0, plus b. This should be 0. So cos 0 is 1, cos 0 is 1. What is left here? A plus b equals to 0. This is the first concept. In the same way, next let me differentiate this one. If you differentiate, what will happen? We are applying for 0 by 0, we know L'Hospital rule. D by dx of cos is minus sine 4x. Minus sine 4x. Now what is left here? Again, if you differentiate 4x, you will get 4 here. You will get 4 here. So next you see what is left here. Now see here. Just we have done a mistake here. Watch carefully. When we substitute 0 here, this is cos 0 is 1. Cos 0 is 1 into a. 1 plus a plus b. This is 1 here. 1 plus a plus b equals to 0. Now let me continue this one. D by dx of cos is minus sine, and d by dx of 4x is 4. Again d by dx of cos is minus sine 2x, and d by dx of 2x is 2a here. Constant is 0. This differentiation is 4x cubed. Now watch carefully. If you substitute 0 here, again sine 0 is 0, 0 by 0, again 0 by 0. So again you have to differentiate this for L'Hospital rule. If you differentiate this one, this will be minus d by dx of sine is cos 4x, and 4x is 4. Again if you get 4 4s, it will be 16. So you will get here 16. Okay, minus a. Now d by dx of cos sine is cos. D by dx of sine is cos. So this will be cos 2x. And d by dx of 2x is 2. Again, if you get here 2, it will be 4. Divide by. Now differentiate. This will be x cube is 3x square. 3 4s are 12x square. 12x square. Sorry. So if you substitute here, watch carefully. This will be here. What will happen? This is 1. This is minus 16 minus 4a. By x is, if you keep here in 0, it will be 1 by 0 infinity. So for it is because not infinity, again we have to suppose this as 0. That is minus 16 cos 0 is 1 minus 4a cos 0 is 1 equals to 0. From this you will get a minus 4 equals to 16, a equals to minus 4. Now you substitute this 1 plus a plus b equals to 0. 1 plus a is minus 4 plus 3 equals to 0. 1 minus 4 is minus 3. Minus 3 on the other side is b equals to 3. Now see the next question. Limit extends to, if you keep a here, a power a minus a power a by a power a minus a power, that is 0 by 0. So let me use L hospital rule. We have to find the value of a. Before going to question, you see d by dx of a power x is a power x log a. D by dx of x power x is x power x into 1 plus log x. Now let me use L hospital rule, differentiate numerator and denominator. Now d by dx of a power x is a power x log a. You suppose like this, x power n, d by dx of x power n is n into x power n minus 1 divided by d by dx of x power x is x power x log a, x power x into 1 plus log x, x power x into 1 plus log x equals to 1. It is given as 1. We have to find the value of a. So let me substitute in place of x a. So this will become a power a. Limit x tends to implies a power a log a minus this. If you keep here a, this power a minus 1, this is plus 1. If you add the powers, plus 1 minus 1 will get cancelled, get a power a. This is also a power a into 1 plus log a. Okay, now let me substitute. This one implies, if you take a power common, a power a, it will get cancelled, left with a 1 here. So sorry, we have substituted the value of a. No, should not write limit here. So what is left here? Log a minus 1 by 1 plus log a equals to 1. Now cross multiply this one. If you cross multiply this one, what will happen? See, there is a mistake here. Actually this is minus 1, so we must take this as minus 1. So if you cross multiply this one, it will become log a minus 1 equals, you cross multiply this one, this will become minus 1 minus log a, minus 1 minus log a. Now this minus 1 minus will get cancelled, bring this minus log here, plus log. So log a plus log a is 2 log a. If you bring this minus log a, it will be plus log a. Log a plus log a, 2 log a equals to 0. Bring this 2 here, so it will be log a equals to 0. 0 can be written as log 1. 0 can be written as log 1. So log will get cancelled, a equals to 1. So the value of a is 1. Now see here, there is one more question here. Now watch carefully. Let me do one thing. Limit x tends to 1 under root of a minus b is a square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b, x minus 1. Write this also under root of a plus b into a minus b. Okay, so let me take common here. Limit x tends to 1. If you take root of x minus 1 common here, we left with root of x plus 1 plus 1. You have taken root of x minus 1 common here. What is left here? Root of x plus 1 plus. If you take root of x minus 1 common here, you left with 1. Now you separate this one, you can write like this, root of x plus 1 into root of x minus 1. This will get cancelled. Now if you substitute the value of x equals to 1, this will be 1 plus 1, 2. This will become root 2 plus 1 by root 2. Now separate this one, we can write like this, root 2 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2. This will get cancelled. The answer is 1 plus 1 by root 2. This is the answer, 1 plus 1 by root 2. 1 plus 1 by root 2 is the answer. See the next question. The quadratic equation with roots L and M, where L equals to limit x theta tends to 0, 3 sin theta minus 4 sin square theta by theta. In the same way, this is the value of M. If you substitute 0, sin 0 is 0, 0 by 0 is in different form. Here also 2 into tan 0 is 0, this is 0, 0 by 0. So let me use L hospital rule for L. L equals to limit, this is theta tends to 0, 3 as it is, d by dx of sin x is cos x, so this will become cos theta minus, here we have to first differentiate with respect to power. This is x square, like x square. So d by dx of x square, we know this is 2x. So this will become 2 sin theta. 2 into 4 is 8 sin theta. Again you have to differentiate with respect to sin theta. Again you have to differentiate with respect to sin theta. So d by dx of sin theta is cos theta. Divided by t dx of theta is 1. d by dx of x is 1. So theta is 1. Now if you substitute theta 0, this will become 0. Sine 0 is 0. 0 into a number 0, but cos 0 is 1. 1 into 3 is 3. So we got the value of L as 3. Now see here, m equals to, let we use your formula here. Limit theta tends to 0. We know 2 tan a by 1 minus tan square. 2 tan a by 1 minus tan square. It is the formula of tan 2a. Tan 2 theta by theta. Now we know tan theta by theta is 1. But if here having 2 theta, you must have here also 2 theta. Here is 2 theta. Here also you must have 2 theta. So to get 2, you divide by 2 and you multiply by 2. Now it is of the form limit theta tends to 0, tan theta by theta is 1. So 1 into 2 is 2. So we get the value of m as 2. So L equals to 3 and m equals to 2. We know, suppose to quadratic equation, if we are having the roots alpha and beta, then the quadratic equation can be written as x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta equals to 0. We know if alpha and beta are the roots of the quadratic equation, then the quadratic equation is written as x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta. So let me substitute this x square minus alpha plus beta. 2 plus 3 is 5x plus alpha beta. 3 2s are 6 equals to 0. So let me do one more question here. Watch carefully. Now this is the 18th question. We know always for questions based on x tends to infinity, we have to take x common here. If you take x common here, it will become 1 plus a by x. In the same here also take common x, 1 plus b by x, then whole power a plus b. Now you cancel this one. Now if you substitute the value of infinity, a by infinity is 0, any number by infinity is 0, b by infinity is 0. What is left? 1 by 1 is 1. 1 power a plus b. We know 1 power in number is 1 itself. Limit x tends to infinity, x divided by 1 plus x whole power x equals to. See how to solve this one. We can write like this. Limit x tends to infinity. Bring this here, x in the denominator of denominator. Or we can write like this. 1 divided by 1 plus x by x whole power x. Now see here, we can separate the limit x tends to z infinity. 1 power x divided by, if we separate this, we can write like this. 1 by x plus x by x whole power x. 1 power in number is 1 itself. Okay, so what will be left here? Limit x tends to infinity. You can write like this. 1 divided by x will get cancelled. 1 plus 1 by x whole power x. Now see here, 1 plus 1 by x whole power x tends to infinity. This is e. So you get the value. This is limit x tends to n. We wrote one formula. Limit n tends to infinity. 1 plus 1 by n whole power n. Its value is e. Its value is e. Now let me do one more last question. Now see here. You do one thing. We have done like this question. One question in the previous part. You see here. You take e power x common. If you take e power x common, what will be left here? You can write like this. E power tan x by e power x minus 1 by tan x minus 1. Now a power m by a power n is a power m minus n. I'm separating the limits. You see here, we can write like this. Limit x tends to 0, e power x 1. Now you separate this one. Limit x tends to 0, e power, bring this x upside, tan x minus 1 divided by tan x minus 1. Now it's the formula. Watch carefully. Here there's no formula. Substitute 0. This will be e power 0. E power 0 is 1 into. Now it's of the formula e power x minus 1 by x. In place of x, you are having tan x minus 1. We know this is the formula. Limit x tends to 0. E power x minus 1 by x is nothing but 1. So this will be 1. 1 into 1 is 1. So we have done few questions based on the previous questions of the MSET. Inshallah, we are going to continue this in the next class. So I request the students to like, share and subscribe my channel. Inshallah, we are going to continue the next class.